So I wasn't going to do this video, but I'm making some tacos and I thought I'd film this because it brings back a lot of California memories. And a lot of you who are from California will understand this. So basically, we're doing LA street tacos. If you've ever been in Los Angeles, downtown LA, the Garment District, you'll see these taco stands. They're just flat iron grills. It's a husband and a wife, and they have these things. So like when you go up to the stand, it's right on the street. It's not even a building. It's wide open. You just walk up to the guy's cooking, right? And you walk up to him and you say, "I want 4 tacos." And he takes these matzo balls and he presses them into tortillas, little tiny tortillas. Not the 8-inch, they're like a 4-inch, I think, taco shell. They press the tortilla and they fry it right in front of you. And they have homemade like tomatillo salsa and regular salsa and hot salsa. And it's some of the best tacos I've ever eaten in my life. They're super simple. And here in Tennessee, they have these street tacos too. And there's one place out here that makes them just like Los Angeles. So I'm going to show you how they make them, or really how you can make them at home. But this is the same way they make them on the streets. These are LA street tacos. Okay, if you're going to make street tacos, you got to have the meat. So we got our ground beef, taco seasoning, onions, cilantros in here. We got the tortillas. These are about the size of street taco tortillas. And then, what is it again? Gringo Bandito. This is a sauce from California that I was turned on to when I was out there doing taco wars. And this is a good brand. This is very popular in Southern California, so we're going to test them out. They sent me all 4 flavors to the show. I thank them very much, and we'll let you know. There's one of these are really hot. Which one is it? This is the original. What is this one? This is the green sauce. And when you do street tacos, there's always green and red sauce. One's always hotter than the other. This is their spicy yellow, and I think this is the one. This is super hot. So this is the one that's probably going to kill me. So if you want to see me down the show, wait till I try this one. All right? So let's get started on the meat. All right, let's heat up this pan. Make sure we got a flame going. Yep, we got a flame going. All right, got to put some oil in the pan. If you have real fatty meat, don't worry about it. But if you don't, I think mine's only 15%. Just put a little drizzle of oil in there to start off your meat. Okay, let's put our meat in there. Let's dump that in. Hope this isn't too hot. Start splashing. Start breaking up the meat. Put a little taco seasoning in there. All right, one of the most important things you want to do is warm these tortillas. Now you can microwave them or you can put them in a hot pan. Make sure the pan's dry and heat up the pan and toast your tortillas. That's very important when you're making street tacos. All right, there we go, the last of the tortillas. As you can see, the tortillas browned a little bit because I toasted them. That really enhances the tortilla flavor. This is a real street taco. This isn't lettuce and tomato and sour cream and salsa and all that. You could put that on later if you want, but I'm just showing you how the real street tacos are done. So here's the 4 we're going to use to sample the Gringo Bandito sauce. This is a little warm. You need no more than a tablespoon of meat. It doesn't require a lot of meat. You put a little bit of meat on each one. There you go. It's got that taco seasoning already in it. Oh, so delicious. Can't wait. Okay. Take a little bit of onions. And they'll ask you out here, the restaurant will say, do you want onions and cilantro? A good garnish for this is the marinated radishes and carrots they usually have at the restaurants. They're really good if you like that. All right, let's make sure we got a little bit of onion there. Look at the juice on this one. Wow, that's crazy. So there you go. That's it. It's onions, cilantro, nothing else. That's how they do it in Los Angeles. And they'll serve them up like $1 a piece. That's how it is by my house when you go to the restaurants. So let's do our sauces right now. That was super easy. All I had to do was brown the meat, put a little taco seasoning on it, taco sauce in the mix. What I normally do is I cook the taco sauce into the meat. I don't put it on top. So I mix it in my meat. Because I like, I'm a real big fan of another brand. But today we're talking about Gringo Bandito, which I haven't had since I was back in California. So let's try it out. So the first one we're going to do is Gringo Bandito. No, I don't want to do super hot. I'll do last. Because if I'm going to die, I'm going to die at the end of the video. I'm going to get this video done before then. All right. So this one is the original. So let's try the original. All right. Watch the original, burns my guts out. I'm going to tell you like right now, if you like a little spicy, not a lot spicy, it's hitting me in the back of the throat right now. The original is spot on. It's really flavorful. Let's try the yellow next. See if we like the yellow. Put the yellow on a taco. Let's get a lot on there so we can taste it. It's dripping out. It looks like I'm pouring a lot, but I'm not. So let's make sure we have enough taste. There we go. I've never tried the yellow, so I'm interested to find out. It has a mustardy flavor to it. I like that. That's really good. A little tangier, and a little bit mustard flavor. I don't even know if there's mustard in it. Probably dry mustard, but yeah, it's got a nice little twist to it. Let's try green. You ready? Here we go. Okay, yeah, my mouth's on fire right now. So this stuff's good. They're all hot. I'm afraid to try super hot. That's what you guys are watching for right now. So we got plenty of green. I'm such a baby. Well, here we go. I think I like green the best. It's obviously from a green pepper, but it tastes really good. I'm guessing super hot is probably based off the jalapeno. It has, not jalapeno, the habanero pepper. So here's the Gringo Bandito super hot. Not happy about this one, but I'm doing it for you. So, I'm not gonna put a lot on. There we go. Uh-oh, some on my finger. I ain't licking that. All right, guys, bear with me. I'm gonna show you. I'm not gonna edit this out. You ready? Nope, not tasting it. I mean, I am tasting it. I can feel the heat, but it's not too hot. There it is. Super hot is hotter than the regular, but not too much. Just a notch above, so you don't have to worry about super hot. If you like hot, that's the one to get. If you like spicy, then go with the original. If you like mustard barbecue sauce, go with the yellow. And if you like a new twist, go with the green. This one is my favorite. The green's my favorite. Okay, I gotta go. The super hot's getting really hot now. My nose is running. My glasses are fogging up. I gotta go cry. All right? I love you guys. Thank you, Gringo Bandito. If you haven't tried these sauces, they are so Southern California. They're amazing. And I'll just see you on the next episode. Take care. Bye.